Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. There's a special event that takes place every year around this time, and it's Kentucky Derby. With elegant attire and beautiful hats, people gather to watch this prestigious horse race. There's a traditional beverage that is served during the run for the roses. And here's my take on it. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Mint Julep. This is a cocktail that is so refreshing to sip on hot days and also extremely easy to make. This southeastern drink is similar to a mojito, but instead of using rum, bourbon is the liquor. Sounds good, right? So my friends, let's get mixing.
In a glass, or if you have one of those fancy cups, we'll add a few mint leaves and half an ounce of simple syrup, but you can always add more. Using a muddler, we'll mash the herb to release the flavor. Next, we'll add bourbon and give a quick stir before adding a couple scoops of crushed ice. We'll stir again until the glass starts to frost from the outside. To this, we'll add a splash of mineral water and then more crushed ice, packing up the glass. And for the finishing touch, we'll garnish with mint leaf. And my friends, this is our Mint Julep. Refreshing and tasty, this drink is so easy to make. And it is the perfect cocktail to serve on a hot summer day. There's no reason to wait for the Kentucky Derby to enjoy it. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!